In this video, we're going to create an exponential moving average, and I'm going to start with a moving average candle chart, the video that I made previously. I'm going to use this file as a template because I only need to change a few lines and we have an exponential moving average. So I will copy that file and I'll paste it and I'll rename it to exponential moving average .py, and here I will change the title to exponential moving average, and here I will change the header to exponential. The rest can stay the same, and here insert on exponential moving average, on exponential moving average, and here we need to change a few things. So those values can stay standardly the same, so we can still change them in the sidebar, but here the simple moving average is taking an average. The simple moving average is taking just a simple average, as the name suggests. An exponential moving average is putting more emphasis on the latest price movements. So we need to take another kind of average, and we need to take a weighted average. So in order to do that, I will change the columns first to EMA1 and EMA2, and I will change it here to EMA1 and EMA2. It's not going to change anything on the functionality, but it just, for us, it's easier to read and to find out that here we are speaking of an exponential moving average and not a regular moving average. So I'm going to change this rolling average to EWM, which is the exponential, which is a weighted average function, and I will need to insert a few parameters. So span is going to be 9 because this is the 9 exponential moving average, and we need to adjust to false. If we adjust it to false, the weighted function is going to calculate recursively. So, and here we will need to take the mean. And that's it. That's the only thing we have to change to get the exponential moving average. And I will copy and paste it here. And this one I will adjust to 20. I will have to use those variables because otherwise it will not work. So I will say here average 1 and average 2. Now, because otherwise, if we will change the values here in our sidebar, this will not change if I use the static numbers. So, and here I'm going to change the name exponential moving average 1, exponential moving average 2. And I'm going to run it and I'm going to check if everything worked out just fine. So I'm going to save it and I'm going to run it. So I'm going to say Streamlit run exponential moving average.py and run, and I'm going to check in my browser if everything worked out just fine. And here we go, we have the exponential moving average. I will check, I will change the date to 2011. That works, and I will take the 20 and I will take the 200. Okay, so that works. So that's how we adjust the simple moving average to the exponential moving average using Python and visualize it in Streamlit in our web browser.